Ever raided your grandma's attic and stumbled upon a forgotten treasure trove? That's kind of the feeling you get when you discover hidden crypto gems sitting idle on an exchange. But unlike grandma's dusty antiques, these digital assets have real value, and you might want to move them to a different wallet. So, the question is, can you send crypto from Kraken to another wallet? Buckle up, crypto adventurers, because that's exactly where we're headed today. Kraken's Crypto Corral, holding or sending? Kraken is a popular crypto exchange, a virtual corral where you can buy, sell, and store your digital assets. It's convenient, secure, and a great place to get started in the crypto world. But maybe you've graduated from crypto newbie and want more control over your holdings. Or perhaps you plan to stake your crypto for juicy rewards, which often requires a dedicated wallet. Whatever the reason, sending your crypto out of Kraken might be the next step on your crypto journey. The big transfer, setting sail from Kraken. The good news is, Kraken lets you send your crypto to another wallet. Think of it as transferring your treasure from a secure vault to your personal pirate ship. But before you set sail, there are a few things to keep in mind. Know your destination. This might sound obvious, but it's crucial. You need the recipient's wallet address, a unique string of characters that acts as the crypto's delivery point. Sending crypto to the wrong address is like sending a treasure map to a deserted island. Your riches will be forever lost in the digital abyss. Double check, triple check, then check again. Most wallets will have a receive function where you can find this address. Choosing your network. Think of a network as a highway for your crypto. Different cryptocurrencies use different networks, and Kraken often lets you choose which one to use for your transfer. Some networks are faster, while others are cheaper. Do your research and pick the one that best suits your needs. Mind the fees. There's no free lunch, not even in the crypto world. Kraken charges fees for withdrawals, so factor that into your transfer equation. Fees can vary depending on the chosen network and the amount you're transferring. Charting your course, a step-by-step guide. Now that you're prepped, let's navigate the withdrawal process on Kraken. Log in ahoy! Head over to Kraken and log into your account. This is where the captain takes the wheel. Find the transfer button, look for a button or menu option labeled transfer or withdraw. This is your gateway to sending your crypto out. Withdrawal or deposit. Make sure you're on the withdrawal tab. You don't want to accidentally send crypto back into Kraken, like forgetting your treasure map at the dock. Select your crypto. From a list, choose the cryptocurrency you want to send out. Think of it as picking which treasure chest to unload from your ship. The all-important address. Here's where you enter the recipient's wallet address. Remember, accuracy is key. Network selection. If Kraken offers multiple networks for your chosen crypto, pick the one that best suits your needs. Amount to transfer. Input the amount of crypto you want to send. Be mindful of minimum withdrawal amounts set by Kraken. Review and confirm. Double-check all the details, address, amount, network. Once you're confident, hit the withdraw button. This is like raising the anchor and setting sail. Security measures. Depending on your Kraken security settings, you might need to confirm the withdrawal through an email or two-factor authentication. These are extra security checks to ensure it's really you sending the crypto out. The final frontier, post-transfer odyssey. Once you've confirmed the withdrawal, Kraken will process the transaction. The speed can vary depending on the chosen network. Some might be lightning fast, while others take a bit longer. You can usually track the progress of your transfer within your Kraken account. Remember, crypto is a wild sea. The crypto world is an exciting adventure, but it's not without its risks. Here are some final words of caution. Only send crypto to trusted wallets. Be wary of sending your crypto to unfamiliar platforms or untested waters. Do a test run. For large transfers, consider doing a small test transaction first to ensure everything works.